Hi everyone, this is Travelhealer. I got tip of the day. Now this week was quite interesting. I happened to help someone with some knee and ankle problem. Someone came and see me and basically they were slightly limping on one of their legs, and roughly three weeks ago it was swelling. So now it's recovering, but unfortunately there was still weakness in the ankle and knee, and still by the time it got to see me, there was still swelling there. But I was managed to able to treat the condition, and the patient was really happy after the treatment. You know, the patient was able to walk and bend easily with the knee and was very happy. So today I'm going to share with you the tip of the day, how to treat with this condition with ankle swelling and knee swelling. Now, one of the things about swelling is that I also make a video about how to deal with swelling. Now, you've probably seen my channel in the past where I teach how to reduce ankle swelling. And one of the products that I actually used was this. Now, by the way, I'm not receiving any advertisement for this, okay? Now, I basically learned of this product. It's called soda crystal, and I did make a video how to use this how to use soda crystal to reduce ankle swelling in my channel. So go and watch that if you happen to have an ankle swelling. My video actually shows exactly how it's done, and it's very effective, I swear by it. So anyway, now how can you treat your knee pain and ankle pain? Usually this come about, sometimes people fall over, and so during the process of fall over, they might sprain their ankle, the knee also play up, and your hip also play up. So this was the condition I treated yesterday. So how it's done is very simple. Before I teach you, I will teach you a rough, simple version of understanding the human anatomy, okay? Now with me here is little skinny guy, Boney. Christmas coming soon, so he's gonna get fed, but for now, he's still starving. Anyway, that's a funny joke on my behalf. As you can see here, the red artery here, they're quite big actually. This artery usually help pump a lot of blood through our system. Now the blood, the arterial femoral artery, as a matter of fact, they come through here and it cuts under here and they go through along the thigh, as you can see. See the thigh. Now through here, it then go in and it supply all the blood into your knee or your patella or this area, okay? Now then what happened is that it go under along your calf, but at the same time it also cut through what we call the tibial bone and the fibular bone. So it cut through here and supply the front section of the foot. So one of the things about people who basically fall down, have swelling in their ankle, their knee, well, when you think about it, it's very simple. It's swelling in along this arterial system. There's also veins that run through the same pathway. So the main thing is, if you can reduce the swelling, that means once the swelling is reduced, your ankle and joint can move. So when your ankle and joint can move, you can pump the blood to move all the swelling back. So what I did was, actually, it's being removed from this pole here, so I better let him rest in peace. Anyway, rest in peace, little Boney. Now, so understanding that, so it's very simple. So I'm going to show it again. As you can see, I'll stand up slightly from here. The femoral artery go through here and go along the thigh in this area here. And they go in here and it circulate the whole knee. And then it come through the posterior section, go through here and supply the foot. But also, it also, prior to doing that, it's also cut through the knee here and go through this area here, in this area here, all right? So what happened is cut through here and supply the front section here. So to treat this condition, very simple. What you need to do is, you can use a posture on. I'm not getting advertisement from here at all, okay? So this is a product my parents used to use, or most Asian people used to use, especially for treating stomach issue and all that. But they're very good for warming the muscle and helping the blood to move. Or you can use a simple tiger balm to use it. So what you do is, after the swelling subsides, or a day or so, you start to work on it. So what you do is, you supply this on your foot here, and you just work on it like this. I will show you how it's done. Manipulate like this, all that, and it's quite painful, but just keep doing that. You can do that at home. Okay, all that. Now what you do is, you put some of this stuff, again, on this area here, and all this area here, and also here as well, okay, here. And then what you do is, very simple, 2 hands, and you just work along the calf area like that. It's gonna be painful, but keep doing, because by doing this, you're reducing all the spasm, all this muscle here, to encourage the vein and the artery. There's no blockages, no tension there, so that way the blood can move, okay? So keep doing that. And then you turn into this position here, as you can see, like this. So 2 hands like this, and just manipulate along the shin bone, but not on the bone, but we call it on the muscular area, in this area, so like that. I mean, while you be doing this, you can be watching TV at the same time. Yeah, okay. There you go. I mean, you don't need to go and see anyone. You just fix yourself. It's quite simple. Go to this area here and work this area here, okay? In this area, right in this area. 2 hands, and then slightly work on this area. Now, it's going to be very painful, because what happened, there's a lot of swelling here, and you try to move it. So working here with some warm ointments to stimulate all the circulation, to get all the inflammation ready, so it can be moved into here and go back. Yeah, keep doing that. Okay, and then what you do is slightly turn on this side here like that, or put your leg in here. I want you to work this area with some warm ointment like that. Warm ointment. In this area, usually they're going to be tender, because after the inflammation on the knee, all these knees inflamed, you have to work here, because here is where the blood go back to bring the inflammation back. So keep work on here. How you treat this condition with knee pain and ankle pain. Now, if you like what I just showed, please subscribe and watch, and also share my spreading healing to the world. Help me grow my channel, okay? So on behalf of myself, Travelhealer, and Bonnie here, so we're wishing you a great Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and the best for 2024.